send it until, I don't know, maybe like 3 days before Christmas, and he got it in time for Christmas. I was really surprised.
Yeah, I did the same. One's for Dad and Megan.
Yeah, the mail is coming so fast this year.
Yay! I'm 5.
You're fine.
Yeah, look what I got. Sketching color.
Oh, wow.
See? I'm 5.
We saw that at the store, and I was like, we should get this for Jess. And your dad said, why? That's like for little kids. And I said, don't you remember last year when we all had those things? I said, Jess sat there and just did hers and did it and like didn't stop. We had got those little like things in our stockings that
Oh. I did mine
you could
wrong,
do. There was like a pattern printed on it, and you just scratched it off. The green stuff